Why do you keep choosing comfort, even when you know it's holding you back? Don't answer yet, because the real reason is not what you think. And by the end of this video, it might completely change how you see yourself. Most people believe staying in their comfort zone is a matter of weak discipline or lack of ambition. That's a myth. The truth is far more unsettling. Your brain is actively rewarding you for staying exactly where you are. From a neuroscience perspective, your brain is designed to minimize risk and maximize safety. It doesn't care about your goals. It cares about keeping you alive. So every time you avoid discomfort, whether it's taking a risk, facing rejection, or doing something unfamiliar, your brain releases dopamine, a subtle signal that says, "Good, stay here, this is safe." And this is where the trap begins. Because that small reward reinforces the same behavior again and again. Comfort to reward, to repetition, to stagnation. Over time, this loop becomes automatic. You stop questioning it. You start identifying with it. And without realizing it, you build a life that feels safe, but far below your potential. So here's something most people avoid asking themselves. Are you really stuck, or are you being rewarded for staying stuck? Think about that. Because the answer reveals more than just your habits. It reveals your programming. The good news? Your brain can be retrained, but not through motivation or willpower alone, through controlled exposure to discomfort. Small actions, repeated daily. Doing what feels slightly uncomfortable on purpose. At first, your brain resists, but then something powerful happens. It adapts. So why do you keep choosing comfort? Because your brain has been rewarding you for it all along. But now you see the mechanism. And once you understand the mechanism, you gain control over it. If this made you think differently, subscribe, because this is just the beginning. Next, we're going even deeper into how to reprogram your mind for real growth.